Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to quickly retrieve items through Excel while billing in LOGIC ERP. Let's begin by generating a sales bill. Click on Retrieve Order and then select Item from External File. Next, go to Configuration. Here, we have already created a configuration and entered the required details accordingly. Now, let's take a quick look at the Excel sheet we already created as per this configuration. Now, browse and select the Excel file. If there are multiple sheets, choose the required sheet, specify the header row, click on Refresh, and then OK. The items from the Excel sheet has been successfully retrieved.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.